Welcome to the learning series with Cambridge. Dear students, in our today's English class, we will read chapter 4, Snake Bite. Snake Bite. Keshav Shankar Pillai or Shankar was one of India's most famous cartoonists. A young Keshav comes across a snake in his compound. There is a big fuss when everyone thinks the snake has bitten him. What, did the snake really bite him? One day I saw a small snake in the compound. It was crawling along slowly, but when it saw me, it moved away quickly and hid itself in a coconut shell. Quietly, I went near and closed the mouth of the coconut shell with a stone. Then I took the shell and ran to Grandma. "Look, Grandma," I cried, "I have caught a snake." "Snake?" asked Grandma in alarm. She was shocked. She cried for help. Grandpa came running. When he learned that I had a snake in the shell, he snatched the shell and threw it away. The frightened snake crawled away and disappeared behind some bushes. Grandpa warned me never to go near a snake because he thought snakes were dangerous. Later in the evening, I tried to catch a bee and it stung me on my finger. I felt a sharp pain. I ran to Grandma and told her that I had been bitten and I wanted her to do something to stop the pain. Grandma thought that I had been bitten by a snake. She called out to Grandpa to come quickly and see me. Grandpa came at once. He looked at my finger. There was a blue mark. Without a word, he took me in his arms and started running. He ran across the garden through the paddy fields. He ran and didn't stop until he reached a small house quite some distance away from our home. Then he shouted for the man who lived there. An old grey-haired man came out of the house. He knew the cure for snake bites. Grandpa asked him to cure me. The old man took us inside. He looked at my finger and then asked me to sit down and not to move. I sat on Grandpa's lap. The old man then took some water in a small brass vessel, sat in front of us and started reciting some verses. I wanted to tell him that it was a bee and not a snake that had bitten me. However, Grandpa held me tight and didn't allow me to talk. Grandma too had arrived by then along with some other people. They looked sad and stood silently watching me by the time the pain in my finger had stopped. Still, I had to sit there to get cured of the snake bite. After a few minutes, the old man got up, washed my finger and gave me some water to drink. He asked me to keep quiet for some more time. He then turned to Grandpa and said, "Thank God you brought him in time. He is out of danger now." It was indeed a poisonous snake that bit him. Grandpa, Grandma, and all the others thanked the old man for the magic cure. On returning home, Grandpa sent him some gifts. So, dear students, in this chapter we learned that we should not tease animals as it can be dangerous for our life. And secondly, it teaches us that we should not believe in superstitions, as in the chapter, the old man who pretends to cure the boy with magic, in actual, he didn't have any magical powers. He was just a fraud, a hypocritic person. So we must beware of such persons. Let's understand the meanings of difficult words. First, cartoonist. It means an artist who draws cartoons. Second, fuss. It means a display of unnecessary excitement. Next, snatched means took away something quickly. Next, cured. Cure means relief of the symptoms of a disease or condition. That's enough for today. Thanks and take care.